Food crops are the gift of nature. Fertile harvests stem from the hard work of farmers. The diverse range of special food and colorful cuisine combines human culture and food ingredients. But food is taking on a new meaning in this place. Have you ever experienced the natural essence of food? Is it about the best ingredients? Or is it about the most superb cooking skills? Actually, all delicious flavor comes from the principles of science. Let's do an experiment together. Let's collaborate to unlock the tantalizing secrets of food. Appetizing dishes are actually the result of successful scientific experiments. Deconstruct everything, follow your thirst for knowledge, and pursue the mysteries of the universe. Embrace curiosity and explore physics. Use your imagination and playful, adventurous spirit. Act with your body. See with your eyes. Hear with your ears. Create with your hands. And feel with your heart. The fun of science comes from the riches of experience and active application. Science education can also involve a series of fascinating creative cuisines. Explore, experience, and have fun with science. We welcome you to the annual meeting of the Asia Pacific Science Center Association in 2018.